everybody, it's Kiki
and Ray,
and we are
Team Reese.
Team Reese, and today we are going to be talking to you about how to book your hotel stays.
Booking your hotel stays. So here's a heads up. I didn't know I was going to be doing this. I would prepare a little bit more, but I think I'm prepared enough. So today we will, as Kiki said, we will be discussing how we book our hotel stays. We've stayed a lot of places, primarily in Chicago, but we've stayed in Florida, we stayed in Georgia, we've stayed in Vegas,
Atlanta,
Vegas, everywhere. Yeah. And so what I've had to do is, or what we've done is, try to figure out different ways to get discounted hotels and just get discounted prices on different things, especially the hotels. The hotels are expensive. Yeah. So what we've done, we've compiled a list of a couple of sites that we use, and just going to break down those sites and what they offer and what they have. And we hope you guys enjoy. Hope you take this list on and use the sites for yourself, because that way you'll be able to book your hotels, get a cheaper rate, and then you'll also be able to, sometimes you can find the best hotel in the world at a cheap rate if you just do the research. So that's what we hope this will do for you.
And don't be surprised if Ray is doing a whole lot of the talking, because honestly, Ray books most of our hotels. The only time I really book them is when we use like the Hilton Honors program, which we'll get into that too. But we just gonna jump right into it. Let's get going.
You know what? Since you said it, why don't you talk about the Hilton Honors program?
Okay, early? I will talk about the Hilton Honors program. So, Hilton Honors now, and I'm going to talk about Hilton Honors because that's what we use. You can use anybody's honors program, but yeah, Hilton Honors is a program through Hilton Hotels where you can basically build up reward points. And the more points you build up, you get free stays for those points. So a lot of times, for our little like one-nighter stays, or even up to like a 4-night stay, we've used Hilton Hotels just so that we can build up points, or so that we can use points that we've built up. And that allows us to get free hotel stays. So all you have to do is sign up for a Hilton Honors account. It is free. We've linked ours so that we can both get, or we have all the points going to one account regardless of who books it. So my account. Mm-hmm.
No, she always books the Hilton. I'm always trying to work around the Hilton.
Yeah. Ray likes to find other stuff, and I do too. I like to find other hotels, but when I really, for the purpose of a cheap stay, when I really want to use our points, I will go with Hilton. Or if I know we have something big coming that we're gonna want a free stay for, I'll try to build up those points so that we'll have them available when it is time. So that's it for Hilton Honors. Go ahead.
Right.
What you got next?
I guess I'm up. So the first website I use, and I've been using this website for years, and that website is called Booking.com. That's Booking.com. This is a website and an app. They have an option there to sign up for a Genius account. When you sign up for the Genius account, it allows you to get discounted rates lower than you would if you just had a regular account. And with Booking, you can set up either what's called a leisure account. They will always ask you if you want leisure or you want business. And you can also set up a business account too, where let's say if you travel for business all the time and you need somewhere to stay and you want to do it real quick, you can hop on the app, you can hop on the website and book that account. The one thing I like the most about Booking.com, and I know if you book directly through a hotel, they'll let you do it like that too. But what I like mostly about Booking.com is that you can book the hotel and you don't even have to pay for it up front. A lot of hotels want you to pay up front, or they'll give you the option. They'll say, well, hey, if you pay now, then you'll pay this. Or if you pay later, you can pay that. But with Booking, it allows you still put your credit card in to hold the room, and it allows you just to hold the room, but you could book all kind of rooms. You could book from, a regular basic room up to a king suite. Now, if you one of those people that just the only thing you stay in is the penthouse, then I honestly say you probably should call the hotel direct, because when you got that money like that, you like, I stay in nothing less than the penthouse. Then
it's the presidential
booking.
It's the presidential suite for me.
Sorry, presidential suite. If booking's probably not your website to do it, because at that point you ain't worried about how much it is. Am I gonna get it or not? You got it. So, but we do. I really like Booking.
Now, can you get refunds on Booking if you need to cancel?
Yes. So when cancellations on Booking, they give you up until 48 hours before 24 hours before your stay, and they are real stringent on it. They're real close, and hey, you better be careful with it, because if you mess around and forget, like I've done several times.
Yes,
then
we have
they
lost
will
money on hotels.
They will come. They will get your money. They will charge you for a full day, and you be sitting there like, oh my god.
And you be at home still.
Right, you still in the crib, or you somewhere else.
All right, what's next?
All right, next up we have HotelTonight.
HotelTonight, I like that one.
Yeah, HotelTonight is a good one.
So HotelTonight is cool because it's literally like HotelTonight. You can get on there sometimes on the day of. Say you just decide you want to get out the house and you want to go hang in the city or go wherever. We've done that before, and we jump on HotelTonight, and we might get a downtown Chicago hotel for $20, $30 a night. That's how good HotelTonight is, because they just trying to push whatever rooms they have left.
Yeah.
So that's a pretty cool site to use. I'll let Ray talk about it more because he uses it more than I do.
We've used HotelTonight. You can go. Of course, it's got a website and an app also, but we've used HotelTonight because we were downtown. Me, Kiki, and RJ, we were downtown.
That's
and
right.
We just made a decision. We were like, you know what?
We don't feel like driving.
We don't feel like driving home. They were down. Disclaimer: we ain't balling like that.
Not,
please
don't think
please
so.
Understand.
We were able to do that because of HotelTonight.
Please understand. We ain't got it like that yet.
That's it right
yet.
there.
We ain't got it like that yet. But we went on there and we booked a hotel that was regularly, I think it was like $100 and like almost $200. And maybe a little bit more with taxes, because taxes downtown Chicago is ridiculous. They tax you for just a step in the building. Oh, that's a tax, But anyways, we booked a hotel at this room at this hotel called the Raffaello. And
it's like a boutique hotel.
Yeah, it was like a boutique hotel.
Yeah, that's a cool thing about it too. You get to check out like some different hotels that you might not even think of, like different contemporary type places and boutique type hotels stays. And then what's also good about HotelTonight, although what we like about it the most is that you can use it the same day. You can actually book up to 100 days out, so you can pre-schedule a trip through HotelTonight and still get a discounted rate. It's probably not going to be as good as that same day rate that you would get by booking it at the last minute,
right.
But it is an option for you, and it usually works out to be a little bit cheaper than what you would pay directly through the hotel.
Yeah, and every day you book on there, it changes. And then one other option before we jump into the next one they have is they have if you go onto the app, they have a special day. So let's say if it's a Virgin Hotel, and for the Virgin Hotel, they may give you an extra $30, $40 off if you do this thing. You have to slide it across, and it pops up where it say, hey, you got this for extra $30, $40 off. So
I don't know what the thing is that you slide across or none of that. But okay, sounds good.
I'll try to do a screenshot.
What's at the HotelTonight?
Wow.
What's next?
Okay. Priceline. Priceline, I know everyone's heard of Priceline. It's probably one of the more well-known websites for hotels.
Priceline's pretty popular.
And of course, they have a website and they got an app. If you download the app, you get better deals on the app. With Priceline, you could book hotels, airlines. You could do a whole vacation. You could do cruise lines on there too. But I know we're talking about hotels.
I've never used it for any of that other stuff. I've only ever used it for hotels.
Yeah, we've only just used it for hotels. Yeah. I've looked at other stuff.
So we can't speak to how it works with any other kind of accommodations, but we have. I take that back. I have used it for a rental car before.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it worked out well for that too.
Yeah.
And Priceline is the one that has like those lightning deals, right?
Yeah, so Priceline has the regular purchase, of course. You can get it at the regular price. And they've done something new, which is what we did for Valentine's Day staycation. And we will link that description for that. Check that out. For our staycation vlog, you can do what's called a express deal, or you can do what's called a price breaker. And so with the price breaker, they'll put 3 hotels in one package. And they'll say, well, this hotel is regular $150, this one's $180, this one's $220, and they'll give you can get any one of those hotels for, and I think I got this one, the one we did on the staycation, for like $75.
And that's another good option for if you're looking for like a unique type hotel, because a lot of the times, like Ray was saying, it'll tell you the hotels in this category are going to be similar to this, and this. And so it's similar to it. It doesn't mean you're going to land in those hotels, but you're going to be in hotels that are similar in rating and service as the ones that they have listed. And so sometimes you also get into some of those like boutique style hotels that way for a very, very good price.
Very good price. And so if you're okay with the price breaker and with the create your own and one other one they have, if you're okay with them picking your hotel, then you'll be good. They'll show you, like Kiki said, they'll show you the options, but then when they pick it, then that's what it is.
The one thing to think about with Priceline though is most of the time parking is not included. So if you are in a city where parking is scarce, like Chicago, pay attention to what the parking costs are in the area, because that can add a considerable amount to your hotel stay if you plan to park at the hotel. If you're not parking, if you just Ubering or whatever, then it doesn't concern you. It's not really an issue. But if you drive there, you could run into some parking stays up to $50, $60, $75 a night, depending on where you're staying at.
But what we did to alter that is that we use an app called SpotHero.
Yes.
Love it.
SpotHero is awesome.
Love it.
We use SpotHero just about everywhere.
Yes, SpotHero is great. SpotHero can be used on valet, maybe not now because of COVID.
Right.
We found that out the other day.
Yeah, a lot of places aren't doing valet right now because of COVID.
If they have on-site parking at that hotel, you can do it like that. Or if it's you just going out somewhere, or if you're doing a garage parking. Yep. So you put in your address of where you're staying at or where you're going in that particular area, and it pulls up all the hotels in that area. I mean, not the hotel, all the parking garages and parking lots in that area, and it gives you a price. You set the time you're going to enter, the time you're going to exit, and then the date.
Yep.
And that's it. And it gives you a price, and it'll give you extra hours for free.
Yeah.
And then we'll link a description. We'll link a description to it below in the description box, and
I'll even give you SpotHero even when we not like staying at a hotel. If we just going somewhere for the day and it's a area where we have paid parking, we'll jump on SpotHero and look for a parking place or parking garage or area or a lot or whatever nearby that's cheaper than whatever the place is that we're going to.
Yeah, so SpotHero is really good. You talking 35, 40, 50% off of parking. We got parking one day. It was regular $70, and I got it for $35. Can't beat that.
Right.
So just that's a good option. One of the last websites we've used is called TravelZoo. I love TravelZoo. TravelZoo sounds weird, but when you see it, it's great. And you can go on the website and the app, and of course, and what's a lot of these websites do, if you download their app, they'll give you a better discount than you would if you went online. So if you download the app or go online, they're known for like a lot of inclusive and exclusive deals. You can do, I saw one the other day when I was trying to do my research for everything. They had a trip to Paris for with airfare, hotel, for either 5 days or 7 days. It was like $950. I don't know what they do to get them discounts. I don't know how they do those discounts.
That's not my business.
But all I know is that you can use that. But TravelZoo has a lot of discounts, and you can get hotels on TravelZoo 40, 50, even 60% off. Depends on what you're looking for.
Hey, TravelZoo is great for reviews too, for places that you go. If you just want to see what other people have thought of wherever you're going, whether it's the hotel or an activity that you plan on doing while you're going, anything like that. TravelZoo is always loaded with detailed reviews with pictures and things like that. So I often will use TravelZoo just to research a place to decide if it's something that I want to do or someplace that I want to go.
Yeah, I like TravelZoo because you can even book events. You can go to events. You can do spa days. You can do car rentals. You can do, like I said, travel, inclusive travel. So I love it. I want to do it with the inclusive travel pretty soon, especially with that Paris deal I saw. I saw one for Spain. I saw one for Tahiti. I was like, oh, they done messed up and gonna give me this. But anyways, I like TravelZoo. And it's really good. It's really good. It really has a lot of options. So I would definitely say check it out. Look at it. Look through it thoroughly and go into it. And then check out TravelZoo. TravelZoo is a great website.
Is that the last one?
I think TravelZoo is the last one. Yeah,
so
TravelZoo is the last one.
Is it. So, we hope that you enjoyed this video. We do hope that you got some information out of it that could be useful to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't seen it already, we did post a motivational or inspirational word a couple days ago. You can check that out right here. I will put the little card at the top so that you can check that out. Yeah, right on top, right up there. Right there. Yeah, check that out for our moment of encouragement. We thank you again so much for watching. Please make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time we post a video. And so once again, thank you so much from Team Reese Travels. Team Reese all day.